Well friends, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today I am going to discussing about the third topic in chemistry, that is a periodic table and periodic properties or classification of the elements and periodic properties. See here, what is the meaning of a periodic table? Periodic table means the arrangement of the elements in the increasing order of their atomic numbers in different columns called groups and different rows called periods. The elements belongs to the same group are having a similar properties, or the elements which are having a similar properties belongs to the same group. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರೋಸ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವುಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಪೆರಿಯಾಡಿಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಇನ್ನು 1829 Daubernier proposed the concept of traits. According to his, he made a set of three elements. Trade means a set of three elements. That is lithium, sodium and potassium. Here the atomic mass is 7 and the atomic mass of potassium is 39. Okay, the atomic mass of middle element is an average of the other two elements. Here this set of three elements is nothing but what we are going to call as a trait. Okay, trait means what? A set of three elements with similar properties. The atomic mass of the middle element is an average of the other two elements. That's nothing but the what a Daubernier law of traits. In 1864, Newland proposed the concept of a law of octaves. ನ್ಯೂಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. The eighth element is similar to that of the first element in its properties. It means during the arrangement of the elements, the properties of the elements are repeated for every eighth element from a given element. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 8ನೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The eighth element is having a similar properties from any given element to that of the first element. That's nothing but what we are going to call as this is a law of octaves. Thus Newland arranges the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Okay, after 8 element, for every 8 element the properties are going to be repeated, just like a lithium, sodium, potassium. The sodium is the 8th element from the lithium. Potassium is the 8th element from the, there is a which one? Sodium. Therefore, the properties of those elements are repeated. It means those belongs to the in the same set. Those are having a similar properties. Then in 1869, what Mendeleev proposed a periodic law. What is a periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are a periodic functions of their atomic masses. ಈಗ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳ ಭೌತಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕ ಗುಣಧರ್ಮಗಳು ಆ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Mendeleev arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. He made actually 8 groups. His table consisting of 18 vertical columns. 18 vertical columns. He classified as a group number 1 to group number 8 and a 0 group. First 7 groups are having a 2 subgroups, group A and group B. Okay na? But 8th group has a 3 subgroups and a 0 group. Total 8 ado 9 ado 0 group onda ಮತ್ತು 1 to 8 1 to 7 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸಬ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದಾವ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬಿ, 1A 1B 2A 2B 3A 3B like that, 7A 7B, and the 8th group has a 3 subgroups and a 0 group. Okay, he arranged during that situation whatever the known elements, there is a 63 elements were known during that situation. He arranged that elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. He left some gaps during the arrangement. That is for arrange the undiscovered element, and he predict the properties of that undiscovered element. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಬಹುದಾದಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ ಈ ಮೇಲಿನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನೇ ತರನಾಗೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಊಹೆ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ periodic Mendeleev's arrangement of the elements. Then the next one is modern predictable. Which one? Modern predictable. Moseley considered the concept of a spectrum of X-ray. Okay, that should be depend upon the electronic configuration. X-ray spectra ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ? ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್. Then the electronic configuration is depend upon the what are atomic number. He arranged the elements on the basis of their atomic number. Moseley ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ he arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic number. In the increasing order of their atomic number. He proposed a modern periodic law. The modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Mendeleev ಹೇಳಿದ the properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. But Moseley stated the modern periodic law. It states that what the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic number. See here please, The modern periodic table consists of 18 vertical columns, 18 vertical columns and 7 horizontal rows. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, now, like this. See your place. The modern periodic table consists of 18 vertical columns. These are called as the groups, and 7 horizontal rows. These are called as periods. It is this modern periodic table is depend upon the or based on the electronic configuration. Okay. Now, the elements present in each group, are having a similar electronic configuration and similar properties in this modern periodic table. ಈ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ periodic ಟೇಬಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಅವುಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವ. ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. Now just you see here, this is nothing but the group 1, this is a group 2, okay, it is a group 3 or 13, group 4, group 5, group 6, group 7 and group 8, nothing but the 0 group. Okay, these are the middle 10 columns, these are nothing but the transition elements are present in this group. See your place. It is nothing but the 13th group, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. If you are going to consider these 10 groups along with this first 2 groups, ಇದರ ಜೋಡಿ ಇವನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು 13, 14, 15 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದಾ? ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. See here, the elements are classified into periods. This is the first period. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಅಡ್ಡ ಸಾಲು ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವ ಅಂತಂದರೆ there are the 2 elements present in a first period. The corresponding principal quantum number value is 1. There is a 1s, there is a 1s orbital is going to be filled in these elements. There is only 2 elements are present in this period. It is a very short period. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Then a period number 2. Here the corresponding number is, our principal quantum number value is n is equal to 2. Here 2s and 2p orbitals or undergoes a filling of, or the electrons are enter into the 2s as well as a 2p orbitals. Here Totally 8 elements are present. In a n is equal to 3, there is a 3s, 3p. Again, the electrons are entered into the 3s and 3p orbitals. Again, the totally 8 elements are present. These are called as a short periods. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು n is equal to 4 ಇತ್ತಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ 8, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ 10 ಇದಾವ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ n is equal to 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 4s, 3d ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 4p. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಲ್ದೊಳಗೆ, ಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸೆಲ್ದೊಳಗೆ 5 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಪಿದೊಳಗೆ 3 ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 9 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಇದಾವ. ಅಂದರೆ 18 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. The corresponding principal quantum number value is 4. Then n is equal to 5, 5s, 4d, 5p. Again 18 elements are present in the fifth period. 18 elements are present in a fifth period. These are called as a long period. Long period periods. Then n is equal to 6. Here 6s, 5d, 4f, 5d and 6p. Here what happens actually? Again 32. It is a very long period. See here please. Electrons are entered into the 4f orbital. There are 14 elements are present in this period. Those are called as a lanthanoid. There is a cerium to the lutetium. It is 58 to the, there is 71. Here the 32 elements are present. It is a very long period. Very long period. Then n is equal to 7. Here 7s, 5f, 6d, then 7p. Okay now. Now the electrons are entered into these orbitals in a 7th period. Again there are 14 5f orbitals are present. Those are called as actinoids. Actinum 92. Okay, there's a 92, 103. Okay now. Leverecium. That is actually thorium to the leverecium. These elements are belongs to in this series. This is about the, it is an incomplete period nearly. Okay. Like this, we are going to classify the elements into the different periods. See here please. Totally 7 period. First period has a 2 element. Second and third periods are having 8 elements each. There is a 4 and 5th are having 18 elements. Sixth period has a 32 elements. There is a very long period. Okay na? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 101. ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಹುಚ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಹುಚ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಇದ್ರ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ 118 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 118. If the atomic number is 113, the element which is having the atomic number 113, in which period that element is present ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ 118ನ ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು 113 ಇದೆ. 5 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? 13, 14, 15, 16 ಇದು 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? This is about the, like this you have to find the position of the element by knowing this number. ಈಗ 63 ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು? 63 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ. See here 54, 18 3s are 54, 54, that is a 56. Okay na? Then 10 position ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದಟ್ಸ್ 18 3s are 54. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯಾವುದು 58 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸೀರೀಸ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಫ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ದಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಟು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ periodic table. Okay na? This is about the modern periodic table. Then okay friends, today I am going to stop here.